Popcorn Roulette is hosting its
2023
film festival, and you're all invited. On Saturday, September
23rd
in HC Media's Studio 101 in Haverhill, we'll be showing 19 short films starting at 5 p.m. and continuing on into the night. Come in to watch a few films or stay for the whole set. What sort of films are we showing? Let's watch a trailer together and find out.
Be a good man, Jack. Make us proud.
All right.
Uh-oh, no alcohol alert. You got a bun in that oven?
Tell us what's going through your mind right now as you prepare to take another shot on goal.
I'm really ready to shoot the puck, if you know what I mean.
I think I do.
Wherever our life takes us, we'll be in it together. And that's okay with me.
Thanks, Jack. We're all rooting for you.
Looks great, huh? You can find this film and 18 more like them at the Popcorn Roulette Short Film Festival on September
23rd.
starting at 5 p.m. in HC Media's Studio 101 in Haverhill, Massachusetts. Check out our website, popcornroulette.org, to find out more information. We're going to have a great time. And hey, I'll see you at the movies.